In this video, we will discuss the capabilities of importing and exporting IFC files in ETABS. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the supported interoperability. There are numerous interactions between various CSI software and third-party products, as you can see here. Today, we will be concentrating on ETABS and IFC. Let's open up ETABS. Okay, let's take this ETABS model and export it to IFC format. To do so, we'll go to File, Export, IFC File. As you can see here, there are two different types of file formats: IFC 2x3, IFC 4. So these two are specifications or part of the industry foundation classes used in building information modeling. IFC 4 enhances consistency and interoperability, allowing for better data sharing across various BIM applications. ETABS supports the import and export of IFC files with specific views for structural analysis and architectural coordination, as you can see here. The structural analysis view describes a building structure in terms of nodes, elements, and loads. Files containing a structural analysis view are most suitable for import into ETABS. The architectural coordination view describes the components of a building in architectural terms. Files containing an architectural coordination view are quite prevalent. You'll notice under File Contents, it recognizes all the elements that are included in this model. The user has the ability to pick and choose what they wish to have exported. Now that the IFC file has been exported, we'll use a BIM viewer to import and view the IFC file. Next, let's take this file and import it as an IFC back into ETABS. So we'll open up ETABS, but this time we'll go to File, Import, IFC File. We'll select the file of interest, and you'll notice under Architectural Coordination Entities, these are the items which it has recognized. There are columns, members, and slabs. Here you can see the model has been imported into ETABS. Please refer to the IFC4 Import-Export technical note for any information about what specific IFC entities can be imported and exported, and what restrictions may apply. This technical note can be found underneath Help, Documentation, Technical Notes, IFC Import-Export. Thank you.